In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace an ignition coil on your Acura MDX, located on both sides of the engine. Let's get started. To start with, we're going to remove the engine cover. Just pop it off. Using a ratchet and a 10mm socket, we'll get it off. Break it loose and take it out. There's a bolt. And remember to remove the connector. And by doing that, we're gonna be pressing right on over here to release the tab. There it is. Move the connector to the side and slide the coil out. Let's get the new one in the same way it came out. Slide it in, and when you do this, make sure the connector is facing you for ease of install. Make sure you start the 10mm by hand. Use your ratchet to snug it down. Now we're gonna torque the coil to 9 foot-pounds. And connect your coil back on. And now we're ready to install the engine cover. For this, you're gonna line up the cover and push down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.